Good morning, dear students. Myself Rekha Bian. I am handling social science subject for 7th standard. I hope you are all safe at home. Let us continue the lesson Bahmani Adil Shahs. In that, Muhammad Gawan. All the credits of making Bahmani dynasty great goes to Muhammad Gawan. Basically, he was a Persian and worked honestly as a prime minister in the region of Sultanates. Muhammad Shah III. He captured Hubballi, Belagavi and Goa from Vijayanagara Empire. Later, he invaded Orissa and captured Kondavidu. In the year 1481 century, he invaded Kanchi and looted its huge wealth. Administration was according to the Islamic laws and he encouraged revenue and postal services and he fixed taxes on the basis of lands, fertility and irrigation facility. Tax was collected by cash only and he removed some taxes which were annoying the people. As a philosopher himself, Muhammad Gawan founded Madrasa University in Bidar. Muhammad Gawan contributed a lot in making the Bahmani kingdoms great. Regional leaders were jealous of his fame and conspired to have him murdered. On the Gawan stone is written that innocent Gawan was killed. After Muhammad Gawan, Bahmani kingdom did not continue its rule strongly. The sultans who came to power after Muhammad III were incompetent to rule. After Muhammad III, Muhammad came to power, but he was a little boy and could not rule the kingdom. The last king was Sultan Kalimullah Shah. After his death, Bahmani kingdom was broken into 5 states of Shahi. They are Adil Shahs of Vijaypur, Barid Shah of Bidar, Qutub Shah of Golconda, Nizam Shah of Ahmadnagar, Imad Shah of Berar. Yusuf Adil Shah was the founder of Adil Shah's dynasty of Vijayapur. He was a good administrator and tolerant towards other religions. After him, Ibrahim Adil Shah II came to power. Ibrahim Adil Shah was the second great king among the other sultans. He ascended the throne in his 9th year. He ruled over for 47 years with historical incidents. Politically, he took Vijayapura to the pinnacle of glory with his efficient administration and was responsible for the tremendous progress in art, literature and education. He had a title called Jagadguru Badshah. He was tolerant of other religion. He sheltered many Hindu philosophers, poets and musicians in his court. He renovated Datta temples in his fort and encouraged puja rituals. He wrote a book called Kitab-e-Navarasa and tried to make music popular among Muslims. The book begins with worshipping the god like Ganapati, Saraswati, Bhairava and others. He himself was a great musician. Ibrahim Roza, which is famous for its architecture, was built by him. Ibrahim Adil Shah II built it in the memory of his wife, Taj Begum in Bijapur. It is the only Roja in India. It is called as Taj Mahal of South India. I hope you have understood. I will meet you in the next class. Thank you, children.